All right, so we're going to be replacing the cord. You might have a black cord and you need to change your cord to match your plug. Now, to know what a dryer cord is, it's going to have an L versus straight, which is be a stove. So be careful when you go to find one, make sure you have the L. It has to have that look to it instead of a straight. If it's all straight one, it's going to be a stove. All right, so you need to change it. You need to put this one on your dryer. All right, you're going to have this in your kit, which is a cord restraint. We're going to put that on first. It's a lot easier to put it on now than to put the cord on. Now, to properly install this cord, you have a little angle. You see that? And then you have a flat side. So this flat side will go like that. So it sits flat and it doesn't move. That's how it needs to be, or it should, for a proper installation. Now, we're gonna insert this after we install this. Now these, I'll show you how to install them. This screw has to be on the top, the larger hole. The smaller hole is gonna be at the bottom, kind of like that. And then the screw will go through and tighten into the smaller. So let's do that, and let's tighten it up and install our wire or cord through, and then we're going to install the cord. And this way you can get it in nice and straight versus fighting with the cord. All right, so now we're on, or in. You can see the screws, they're nice and straight. Now you're going to insert your wire. If it's too tight, you might have to loosen it some so you can get the cord in. But it's a lot easier this way. Now, which wire is going to go where? Okay. You have 1, 2, 3. You want to keep the center wire right here in the center. That's your neutral wire. All the other ones, you could flip it, doesn't matter. But for proper insulation, you want to have the flat side down against there. It's a better connection and it doesn't move. All right, so let's put our screws in. They're 1/4 inch. Use a nut driver. Make sure you get a good tight connection. You should not be able to move them once they're in. Now, if you're not confident with a drill, just go ahead and use the manual. Nice and tight. Now, double check your connections here, tighten them up. And you're done. You got to put your cover on. That's it. And that's how you properly install a 3-wire hookup. And your ground screw stays here. That's your ground. We're done. Just put your cover on. Thanks for watching.